Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Come along on this rainy day vlog with me and my daughter Maggie as we take you to the Mighty Eighth Airforce Museum just outside of Savannah, Georgia. But first we're going to stop by and grab some lunch at Spankys, which is just down the road from the Mighty Eighth. Our favorite lunch at Spankys is the hot bread and cheese and the chicken fingers and spuds. The Mighty Eighth Army Air Force was formed in Savannah, Georgia about 6 weeks after Pearl Harbor was bombed and was activated in January of 1942. The 8th Air Force then moved to England where they carried out strategic bombing missions against the Nazis. Aren't these soldiers so handsome? My own grandpa was also a World War II veteran. He was in the Army and served in the Pacific. Being in this museum gives me a small glimpse of what his life may have been like during World War II. One of my favorite parts of the museum was this replica of a safe house. Here they would hide soldiers from the Nazis. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today. If you're enjoying this video, would you please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. Maggie and I really enjoyed strolling through the memorial gardens behind the museum. This church is a timeless beauty. It's a replica of an English church. I love the breathtaking stained glass windows. You can rent the church for weddings, and I secretly hope that Maggie will get married here one day. There were exhibits about the Tuskegee Airmen and the Fly Girls of World War II. Let us always remember the brave men and women who fought for our freedom, and especially those who paid the ultimate price. The museum also has a beautiful pub named Miss Sophie's. They serve lunch Tuesday through Friday from 11 to 2. Now that we're done at the Mighty Eighth, we're going to head over to the front porch. That's our favorite place to get coffee and tea when we're in Pooler. Visiting a museum is the perfect rainy day activity. We spent about 2.5 hours at the Mighty Eight, and it was so inspiring being reminded of true patriotism. They truly were the greatest generation. Sitting on the front porch with my favorite girl was the perfect way to end this rainy day. Thanks for coming along on our video. I hope you enjoyed our rainy day vlog, and I'll see you next week. My lack of technology skills is very funny.